the iPhone 17 Pro could finally be catching up to Samsung in a way that many users have been waiting for. According to a new rumor, some models from the upcoming iPhone 17 series may finally feature an advanced cooling system, something that Samsung flagship phones have had for years. Recent leak suggests that Apple is considering a vapor chamber cooling system for at least 2 of the 4 iPhone 17 models. This information comes from a reliable source, Instad Digital, who has been fairly accurate with Apple leaks in the past. If true, this means Apple is looking to address one of the biggest performance challenges smartphones face: overheating. The concept of vapor chamber cooling isn't new. Industry analyst Minji Kuo first predicted that the iPhone 17 Pro Max would be the only model to get this advanced cooling technology, while the other models would continue using graphic sheets for thermal management. However, earlier this year, Rub was surfaced claiming that all iPhone 1 models might feature the vapor chamber. Now, Insta Digital suggests that only the Pro models will benefit from this upgrade, while the standard iPhone 17 and the newer iPhone 17 Air may not. So what exactly is vapor chamber cooling, and why does it matter? Vapor chamber cooling is a sophisticated liquid-based system designed to manage heat more efficiently than traditional thermal solutions. Inside the vapor chamber, liquid, usually NIS water, absorbs heat from the processor, turns into vapor, and moves to a cooler area where it condenses back into liquid. This process effectively dissipates heat, keeping the device at a more stable temperature. Many top-tier smartphones already use vapor chamber cooling, including Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra and the OnePlus 13. These phones feature powerful Snapdragon processors that generate significant heat during high-performance tasks like gaming, video editing, and multitasking. Apple's chips are no exception. They are some of the most powerful in the market, but they also produce a lot of heat, leaving the thermal throttling. Thermal throttling happens when a phone's processor generates too much heat, causing the system to slow down to prevent overheating. This can affect performance, making games laggy, apps slower, and the overall experience less smooth. By incorporating a vapor chamber cooling system, Apple could reduce thermal throttling, allowing the iPhone 17 Pro models to maintain peak performance for longer periods. Given Apple's history of optimizing hardware and software for efficiency, introducing vapor chamber cooling could be a game changer. It would help the iPhone 17 Pro models deliver consistent high-speed performance, especially when running graphics-intensive games or professional applications. This move makes sense as Apple continues pushing the boundaries of mobile processing power. The Aries chips and iPhones have consistently outperformed their competitors in raw speed and efficiency, but cooling has always been a challenge. The upcoming A9 Pro chip, expected to debut in the iPhone 17 Pro models, is rumored to bring even greater performance gains, making an advanced cooling system more necessary than ever. Is becoming more critical as processors become faster and more power hungry. Samsung and other Android manufacturers have already demonstrated the advantages of vapor chamber cooling, and now Apple seems to be following suit. Will Apple's take on vapor chamber cooling set a new standard for iPhone performance? We'll have to wait and see when the iPhone 17 series is officially unveiled. Until then, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this is a necessary upgrade for the iPhone, or is it something you can live without? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next 125 series today in Sosa, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra, just hours before the grand unveiling. Retail boxed images surfaced showcasing a lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste among the colors. Revealed the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Stone's bold design choice are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature as pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip under the hood. All models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The Galaxy S25 model offers 128 GB of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 GB across all base models for storage options. The lineup includes 25 6 GB as standard, with 512 GB available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production cost and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase here. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25 155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus $353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra $1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 Bs, $1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 GB, $1,514 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 GB, $1,858,600 Korean won, $1,208.